Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. We've got a short one today for you, but a really good one. Please stay tuned to the end of this, but it's really, really good. So what you can see here, this patient's come through feeling really, really blocked up on one side. And what you can see here is a lot of skin debris in the ear canal here, and a little tiny bit of soft wax underneath, but mostly skin debris in this ear canal. Now, what we're going to do first of all is just use the suction tube here just to take away those looser bits of wax debris underneath, but also just to get a gauge of this skin as well. If it's nice and soft and floppy, then we'll be able to get this out with the suction. If it's a little bit tougher, we may have to use the Jobson horn and maybe the crocodile forceps on here as well. And what I can feel when I'm just passing that suction tube over the top is this skin is hard. It's gone almost like a leather. It's obviously detached from the canal wall and gone really tough, but it looks as though it's just a little flap here at the entrance. So we're getting the Jobson horn, trying to get behind that, but look at the pressure we're putting on here. You'll see the Jobson horn just flick away there a second ago, and that's how much pressure we're trying to put on this. So I don't think this is just this little tiny flap of skin here. So we're just going to use the crocodile forceps because this really tough old skin is perfect for the crocodile forceps. We've got I know what's coming next. We've got a good clamp on this now, guys. As we draw this out, I'm going to drop back just in a second, but I wanted to make sure that we didn't tear this little bit of dry skin here at the entrance. So we've dropped back to the outer part of the ear canal. So this is the initial section coming away here. I thought, oh yeah, maybe just a little tiny plug, you know, a long strip, maybe a skin ribbon. But look at this start to come out. You can actually see this plug unfolding from the ear canal as it comes out of the canal there. And we're still going. And we're still going here. I've slowed this down so you can actually get a good look at this coming away. I thought this was the end of it here, but I noticed there was actually still more coming out of the canal. And it's still pulling away. There's and a little bit of a dry, loose skin there at the end. You can see that little loose piece. But we'll take a look at this now. But look at the length on this plug. This plug was actually 3 centimeters in length, about 1.25 inches. So the average adult male, the ear canal, is about 3 centimeters long. So this was the full length of the canal. You can see, yes, it looks quite red and aggravated there, but we've just literally stripped all that dead skin perfectly. The entire canal wall skin here, the top layer, had come away as this plug. So when we take that away, we're exposing the fresher skin underneath. So it does look a little bit aggravated, but we've just taken all this dead skin away. But look at the size of that plug. 3 centimeters in length, 1.25 inches, an absolutely massive plug. Guys, I'm sorry the video today is so short, but we've been absolutely manic in clinic, and I really wanted to show you this one because it was a good one to see. And this is about the time I've had to quickly do this before I go on my lunch break now. So what you'll see is it's just a huge plug. So fingers crossed, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I did voicing it over. We'll see you again on Friday, back to normal, fingers crossed. If clinic is a little bit quieter, I get a bit more chance to edit. But as always, guys, take care of your ears, take care of yourselves, and take care of one another, and I'll see you again on Friday. Take care, everyone. Bye.